In 1981, a police sergeant vanished after leaving the station late one night. His car was found parked on the edge of town, but he was gone. For 18 years, there were no answers. His disappearance became a ghost story, whispered in the community. Then, in 1999, farmers plowing a remote field struck something solid. When they dug deeper, they uncovered a rusted handgun. The serial number confirmed what everyone feared: it belonged to the missing sergeant. But if his gun was buried here, where was he? The full story is on my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for